Hello guys, my name is Joe Michelena. I have been posting recipes in YouTube for a long time. Well, not so for a long time. I started in October 28, 2020. It's a little bit more than 2 years, and I have been enjoying posting those recipes and sharing with you guys. I enjoy cooking and I'm very fan of it. So anytime I have a recipe, I want to share it with you guys. And you guys have been following Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and I found a website about a year and a half ago, and I posted my recipes in there too. This website is called KHAL, KHAL.com, and there I have posted already around 144 recipes. I started posting my recipes in there in July 2021. And it's been fun posting the recipe in this place. I'm getting a lot of reviews from these guys, and they offer you a lot of challenges too if you want to take a challenge. Okay, you can do recipes from other people and they give you points. They give you points for the recipes you make. You get points when somebody likes your recipe and they click on click on your post. So, and when you make recipes from other chefs too, you get some points. It's a lot of fun, and I recommend you guys take a look on the website, check on my recipes, and check everybody else's recipes. It has a large diversified population of cooks from different countries or parts of the world, so that makes it fun. Okay, I hope I see you guys in there on this website too. Okay, and you can make comments about it. You can post those comments on my recipes or somebody else's recipes. Okay, my friends, I just want you guys to tell you that when you guys to keep following me and to keep enjoying my recipes, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.